Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Android and Amazon Shopping in 2026. Using an Android phone and received an Amazon gift card. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem it safely and correctly in Amazon Shopping in 2026. Now let's start by following these few simple steps, and before we start, Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using just by typing in Amazon Shopping. You're going to click here and click on install. Then you're going to make sure to update the app if you haven't updated already. Then let's go back to our topic. Now to redeem a gift card on Android, it's pretty similar to the iPhone version. We're going to go and open the Amazon app, and then you're going to make sure you're signed into your account. This is very crucial. Then you're going to go to the gift cards. You're going to tap the menu or your profile icon. As you can see in the bottom, it's the profile icon. You're going to click here, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the gift card balance. As you can see here, it gives you your gift card balance, and it gives you redeem gift card. You're going to click on redeem gift card right here. Then you're going to select gift cards, and then you're going to redeem the code. You're going to enter or scan the gift card code. As you can see, you can scan your claim code by the first option, or you can enter your claim code and your current balance is displayed right above it. You can check it, and the balance is applied immediately, and you'll see in your account balance. Now redeeming Amazon gift cards in Android in 2026 is quick and beginner friendly. Once redeemed, you're ready to shop without using a credit card. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.